Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweet girl. Can you wave? Can you wave? Hi, baby.
It's right there. Granny's just going to give you a part of this, okay?
Oh, are you reaching for the camera? How was your dinner? Oh, you're waving. You're waving at the camera.
You gonna give Sis a cookie? Oh, don't put it in her mouth. She doesn't like cookies. She's too little.
No.
Oh, Eli, that was nice, Sharon. Thank you. You better eat that. Good job. Good job.
Pumpkin. How about some water? Want something to drink? Here.
Say, hey, that wasn't very nice. I got a tease. They were going to give me a cookie and then they took it away.
You need help, baby? Can Jen to help you? Let's not actually put that in Sis's mouth, though. She's too little to eat cookies. Here you go, baby.
Sure.
You'd be in trouble. It's all been videotaped, man.
Can I have a bite?
Hi, sweet girl. Hi. How are you? She's looking at it. Hi, waving at the camera. Hi there.
Well, I got lots of different kinds of sandwiches. Should I put them out?
Yeah, sure. I'm not sure if Sis wants that cookie. She
Here's the
mostly
rest of
just
your
drinks
cookie,
milk.
Eli.
You know what, honey? Let's not put chocolate on this chair, okay?